My apps are behind my wallpaper, and that's not even the craziest thing HiOS 16 can do. Here are 6 features on the new HiOS 16 that are worth taking note of. HiOS 16 comes packed with a lot of AI features, and these top 6 are my favorite I've been using for a while now. If you have any device that runs HiOS 16, whether it's the Camon 50 or any other Tecno device, these are features worth taking note of. I'm Desi, and let's get right into this video. The first one is called Depth Wallpaper. Your app icons can now sit behind the subject of your wallpaper, be it your pet, a person, or an object. The AI cuts them out automatically and pushes them to the foreground. No need to manually edit it, all you do is set it. So to do something like this, long press on your home screen, tap on Wallpapers, either select from the themes available, that's a prominent subject, or add your own photo. In this case, we are choosing a theme that already exists. Tap on it and tap on Edit. Once you tap on Edit, make sure to turn on the depth effect button you see right there. This applies that feature onto your device. It doesn't only work on your home screen, but also on your lock screen. So for things like your clock, it will be behind the subject, which looks really cool. The second feature is called AI Video Generator. What it does is you add a picture to the AI, you either prompt it or select from a theme, and it turns that image into a video. It's super cool. So here's how to do it. From your home screen, swipe right. It brings the whole AI tab that shows Ella. Scroll down till you see Video Generator. Now in Video Generator, you have the option to either prompt or select from video template. If you don't have any idea, select a video template, add your image from your gallery and tap on Send. And the AI will be able to generate the image to a video, all for free. I've been doing it for a while now and it generated some incredible videos, which I really appreciate. If you're a content creator who doesn't have time to shoot B-roll, I see this as a tool you actually really love. The third feature is called AI Art Library. And basically what it does is it's a variety of AI tools in one system. There's AI stylization, AI travel shot, and AI partial. So let's start with AI stylization. AI stylization literally turns an image in your gallery into fine art, into the kind of art that should be in a museum or in a gallery. How to do it is you open your gallery, tap on the image you want to transform, tap on the edit button, and you'll see AI Art Gallery pop up on the side. Tap on it, tap on AI stylization, and choose from existing styles from Monet, Picasso, glass art, anime, and so on. It turns the image instantly into fine art. There's also AI travel shot. Let's say as someone who has not really traveled, like myself, and you want to turn your image into a beautiful travel shot, having you visit somewhere and take a picture, this AI does that instantly. So there are a variety of options that allow you to transform the image into a travel shot. So we have the volcanoes, the temple, we have the owl. You just select your image just like you did earlier on and tap on the one you want to transform. So let's say volcano, and it transforms the image instantly, which I really love. There's also AI partial. If you're wearing a cloth and want to change the material of the cloth to fit into the style you have, this does that. AI partial because it's not changing everything in the image, it's just changing a section of clothing. You can choose from batik, ocean link, and it generates these images that look stunning. You should definitely try it if you're on HiOS 16. For the first feature, we have AI Health Assistant. Basically, what it does is a combination of 2 features. Let's start with the first one, which is AI Health Checker. So if you are sick and you have symptoms of certain diseases and you want to just find out what's wrong with you, you can use AI Health Checker to check this. You type in your symptoms, the AI asks you a bunch of questions, and based on your feedback or based on the answers you provide, it's able to give you a summary of what could potentially be wrong with you. Bear in mind, this is not health advice. You definitely need to go to a hospital if you're sick, but this is a convenience way of finding out what is wrong with you beforehand or giving a fair idea of what's wrong with you before you go to the hospital. There's also the AI Health Indicator measurement, and this is the coolest. So basically, it scans your face to be able to tell you things about your health. From your blood oxygen level to your heart rate to systolic blood pressure, the AI is able to determine all this by simply scanning your face. It also gives you a summary of what it thinks could be wrong with you or things that it thinks you could improve in your life to make you look healthier, which is super cool. For the fifth feature, we have AI Theme Generator. It's a cluster of 4 AI features which we really love, from text to image, image to image, image to theme, and image to live wallpaper. You can select any of these and generate outputs that look stunning. So let's say you have an image that is not a live wallpaper. You can use the image to live wallpaper to generate that image into a live wallpaper. Or you have a text prompt you have in mind that you want to turn to an image. Simply tap on text to image, type in your prompt, your idea, and it's able to generate it instantly. Bear in mind, all this is free. You're not paying a single dime to do all these generations, which is super cool. And the final feature, which is the sixth feature, is AI problem solving. So let's say you have a math equation, you have a logical equation, or you have code that is giving you problems and you don't know how to solve it. You simply tap on AI problem solving, it opens up the camera, just points at whatever the problem is, math homework, English translation, whatever it is, and the AI will solve it, giving you a step-by-step guide on how it solved it. If you're a developer too, it will solve the code for you, figure out the problem, and give you suggestions on how to fix your error. If you're a student, if you have kids, this can be the tool that will teach your children or teach yourself how to solve some of these problems and make you better understand whatever you're learning. 6 useful features, all on HiOS 16, which are completely free. If you have a Tecno device that has HiOS 16, these are features worth trying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. If you have any questions, suggestions, or features I didn't talk about that are worth highlighting, drop them in the comments. Share this video with anyone looking to purchase any Tecno device that supports HiOS 16. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm Desi. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you again in my next video. Peace.